It's currently pretty sunny and bright out, and the solar panel is producing 220 watts. It's rated at 235, so that's pretty good. It's too top heavy right now, and the solar panel is slightly to this direction, so whenever it's not supported, it just immediately tries to flip. So it needs to have a lower center of gravity or supports going out on the sides to stabilize it. We fixed the center of gravity issue by adding outriggers, but long term we need to just lower the center of gravity, so we won't need those. It can stay still in position hold mode, and it tends to go backwards in circles, but stays in the same spot. And in auto mode, it should be able to go on its own route. Okay, now it's driving itself. It successfully completed a 1 kilometer autonomous test. There is a lot of friction from the laundry detergent Alma, but that should be fixed later on once the center of gravity is fixed. Overall, the test was fairly successful. There were some issues due to the high center of gravity where it tried to flip over, but that was fixed using this Alma. The flight controller also had issues connecting to the computer over Wi-Fi telemetry, so I couldn't get much data from it. I did get it to connect long enough to upload 23 waypoints for a 1 kilometer mission, which it completed easily, and it could have done much longer. One piece of data that I did collect by enabling telemetry on my transmitter was the current draw. The motor drew about 22 amps when it was moving at full speed at 12 volts, so around 300 watts. On my previous test, without the almonds or the solar panel, it only drew about 130 watts. I think this extra power draw is due to the extra friction caused by the almonds. In the long term, I plan to remove the almas, so the power draw should be much lower, or I should be able to add a higher pitch prop to make it go faster under that same power draw. Some changes that I want to make in the future are adding a more reliable Wi-Fi telemetry module that I already have, adding another telemetry module that communicates over cellular, so I can communicate with it from anywhere on Earth that has a cell connection, and removing this solar panel and all the wood from the top, and replacing it with flush, deck-mounted, flexible solar panels. Those solar panels should dramatically reduce the weight and the center of gravity, and they should also prevent it from catching wind. In the long term, I hope to have this kayak able to cross oceans. It isn't there yet, but that is the end goal of this project. This is still a work in progress, and I hope to test it again soon.